Good day everyone, my name is Kian Villanueva, and for today's video, we will talk about marketing. Marketing is the heartbeat of every brand, and for Sign, it's even more important. Kumbaga, ito ang bridge na nagko-connect sa vision natin at sa mga entrepreneurs na gusto natin matulungan. Sobrang advanced sa mundo ngayon, it's not enough na maganda lang ang product or service mo. Kailangan mo ng paraan para marinig, makita, at mapansin. At dito pumapasok ang marketing. Dahil maraming aspiring entrepreneurs ang umaasa sa AI at free templates. Madalas nawawala ang tunay nilang identity. That's why, sa Sign, marketing helps us to show who we are and why we exist. Marketing is how we build trust, it's how to tell our story, and most importantly, it's how we help others to tell their stories through powerful brand identities. And now, Sign, marketing is not just about promotion, it's about connection. Una, we seek research and insight para mapag-aralan natin ang market, kung sino ang target audience, at anong mga challenges na nais silang ma-encounter, kung anong mga objectives nila. From there, ginagawa namin ang brand positioning. We make it clear, hindi kami basta-basta gumagawa ng logos. We help create authentic brand identities that truly represent our client. Then, content creation naman. We produce posts, vlogs, videos, and hindi lang basta post dito at benta dun ha. Ang goal namin is to inspire, educate, and engage people. Sa sobrang active din kami sa social media, we maximize Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even TikTok para maramdaman ng market ang presence namin. We share branding tips, client success stories, at creative ideas para ma-encourage ang mga entrepreneurs. Bukod doon, gumagamit kami ng email marketing. Through newsletter, we share updates, branding insights, and promos para lagi kami updated sa mga community namin. Importante rin ang partnership and word of mouth. We collaborate with local communities and small businesses groups para mas lumawak ang reach natin. Siyempre, every marketing effort is measured. We track kung ano ang pinaka-effective, ano ang nag-work, at ano pa ang kailangan i-improve. Marketing in Sign is not just about being loud. It's about being relevant, valuable, and real. Before we implement anything, we must know our internal and external environment. That's where the SWOT analysis comes in. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Let's go to strengths. Strengths is what gives us an edge. Strong brand reputation, loyal customers, or unique products. While weaknesses, where do we fall short? Maybe it's limited reach, small budget, or inconsistent messaging. Opportunities, are there emerging trends we can leverage, new market, tech innovation, or competitor weaknesses. Threats, what risks are out there, changing consumer behavior, economic shift, or new competition. This is a solid SWOT to help us to plan smarter and avoid surprises. Let's go, who are the focus of our company? Ang focus ng Sign ay very specific. Aspiring entrepreneurs and small business owners sa Pilipinas. Sila yung mga may pangarap, may passion, pero madalas limited ang resources, kaya kadalasan free templates or AI tools ang nagiging takbuhan nila. Pero deep inside, alam nila hindi pa yun sapat. Gusto pa nila ng something more. Something that really speaks to who they are. Kaya dito kayong pumapasok. we help those who are serious about leveling up their branding. Whether nasa food business sila, clothing line, cosmetic products, service-based business, or tech startup company. Sign is ready to help build their brand identity. We work with local entrepreneurs who are ready to invest sa sarili nilang kwento, hindi sa mga generic solution. Social media. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in modern marketing, which is social media. Social media marketing allows us to connect directly with our audience, build community, and promote our brand in a dynamic and engaging way. We choose the right platform: Facebook for reach, Instagram for visual, TikTok for trends, and LinkedIn. Our content should entertain, educate, and inspire while staying true to our brand voice. Think videos, reels, infographics, polls, and stories. Engagement is a key. Replying to comments, using hashtag effectively, running contests, or collaborating with influencers. With a clear plan or strong presence on social media, it's time to execute. Implementation means assigning a task, setting deadlines, launching campaigns, and closely monitoring. We use tools like content calendars, scheduling apps, and analytics platforms to stay organized and effective. The ability to adapt is also critical. If a campaign isn't performing well, we don't wait, we adjust our approach in real time. Marketing is what makes Sign visible. It's how we connect, build relationship, and bring the dreams to life. Tulong ng marketing, hindi lang kami basta brand. We became a partner sa journey ng bawat entrepreneur na nangangarap maging successful. So, if you're an entrepreneur na gusto ng branding na sumasalamin sa hangarin mo, hindi basta-basta template or generic design, Sign is here for you. Visit our website, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, at TikTok. Message us anytime. Tandaan mo, you don't need a random template. You need a brand that's uniquely yours. At the Sign, we don't just create brands. We bring your story to life. Let's build your brand together.